Changing your payout method on Berkshire Hills Bancorp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Berkshire Hills Bancorp website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, find the option for payout method or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payout method, check for a confirmation message or email from Berkshire Hills Bancorp. Ensure that your new payout method is correctly reflected in your account settings. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Berkshire Hills Bancorp. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.